Hi, I'm Sue and I'm a paper crafting expert. Today I'm going to show you some stamping and heat embossing techniques that you can use on your card making designs. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and press the bell icon for notifications of future videos. When it comes to stamping, there's a whole range of designs to choose from, and they come in two main forms. There's wooden stamps and clear polymer stamps. As the name suggests, wooden stamps are a wooden block with a rubber base where the design is. So this is great for a firm image transfer. And then there's polymer stamps, which are clear and flexible, and you need an acrylic block to attach the stamp to, and then you've got a firm base then to do your stamping. To transfer the design onto your cardstock, an ink pad will be needed, and apply the ink to the stamp in a dabbing motion. Carry out a test stamp before stamping onto your desired piece of cardstock. Position the stamp on the cardstock, then gently press the stamp down using even pressure across the whole stamp. Carefully and slowly remove stamp and leave the imprint to dry. Once happy, it's time to start stamping on your card to create your design. After you've finished working with your stamps, make sure they're thoroughly cleaned. This can be done using a damp cloth or sponge and water. If you want to use the same stamp with multiple ink colours in one project, the stamp must be cleaned and dried thoroughly in between each colour application to get a crisp finish in the desired colour. Heat embossing is a great way of adding glitz and texture to your stamp designs. This technique uses an embossing stamp pad, which is sticky, your stamps of course, some embossing powder and a heat tool. And this process really makes your sentiments and other designs stand out with an embossed glossy spot varnish finish. Start by stamping your design using an embossing ink pad, working quickly while the ink is still tacky. Sprinkle the embossing powder over the design. Pick up the cardstock and carefully tap any excess powder from the design. Then use a heat tool to set the powder. Ensure the heat tool is moving continuously across the design to avoid your card or paper stock warping or scorching. The heat tool gets very hot, so make sure fingers are kept well out of harm's way. Replace any unused embossing powder back into the pot. Thank you for joining me for this video. If you'd like some more card making inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up and a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. See you for more videos soon.